BYD launches affordable surf electric option. Electric car shatters speed record. Volvo pushes safety forward with the world's first 3-car EV crash test. New battery technology being tested. This is All Things Motoring News. BYD launches affordable surf electric option. Chinese electric vehicle manufacturer BYD has officially introduced its new Dolphin Surf model to the South African market, a move aimed at broadening the appeal of electric mobility for local motorists. The vehicle is positioned within the mass market segment, with the intention of demonstrating that electric cars can be both practical and attainable. Electric car shatters speed record. In a significant achievement for electric vehicle engineering, the YangWang U9 extreme hypercar has reached a verified top speed of 496.22 km an hour. The run took place recently at the ATMi test track in Papenburg, Germany. This result establishes a new global record for a production vehicle. Volvo pushes safety forward with the first 3-car EV crash test. By conducting a crash test that no regulation requires, Volvo once again demonstrates its commitment to safety, extending beyond mere compliance. In the transition to electrification, the brand is applying the same philosophy that has saved millions of lives over the decades, setting its own standard to protect people in real-world driving conditions. New battery technology being tested. Stellantis and Saft, a subsidiary of Total Energies, have introduced a new prototype car equipped with innovative Ibis technology. The first fully functional vehicle to use the system is the Peugeot E-308. The project's second phase began in June 2025 and continues to receive support from the French government. All Things Motoring News is proudly brought to you by CHANGECARS, the online vehicle trading platform that buyers trust.